If you've ever seen someone with flawless, glowing skin and wondered how they achieve that effortless radiance, chances are they're using Korean skincare. But let's be honest, if you're new to it, the sheer number of products can feel overwhelming. What works? What's worth your money? How do you build a routine without making expensive mistakes? That's exactly what I'm here to help with today. I've tested hundreds of Korean skincare products, and I'm going to share the absolute best ones that are perfect for beginners. These are affordable, effective, and simple to use, so you can start your K-beauty journey the right way. Korean skincare isn't just a trend, it's an advanced, science-backed approach to achieving clear, healthy skin. If you've spent any time on TikTok, YouTube, or skincare forums, you've probably seen people raving about hydrating toners, snail mucin, and sunscreen sticks. But when I first got into Korean skincare, I had no idea where to start. There were so many choices, so many steps, and ingredients I couldn't even pronounce. Once I finally found the right products, though, my entire skincare routine changed for the better. Unlike many Western skincare brands that focus on aggressive treatments, Korean skincare is all about nourishing and strengthening your skin for long-term health. The first step in any routine is cleansing, and double cleansing is a must if you wear sunscreen or makeup. Regular cleansers alone don't remove all the dirt, oil, and buildup from the day, which can lead to clogged pores and dull skin. That's where an oil cleanser comes in. It gently breaks down sunscreen, makeup, and excess oil without stripping your skin. One of the best options for beginners is the iUNIK Calendula Complete Cleansing Oil. It's lightweight, soothing, and packed with nourishing botanical oils that deeply cleanse without leaving a greasy residue. It rinses off cleanly and preps your skin perfectly for the next step. If you prefer cleansing balms, those are great too, but they can be more expensive, so starting with an oil cleanser is a more affordable and effective option. After using an oil cleanser, a gentle water-based cleanser helps remove any remaining impurities. The key is to use one that cleans deeply without leaving your skin dry or tight. If you want something that both cleanses and gently exfoliates, the Some by Me AHA BHA PHA cleanser is a fantastic choice. It contains mild exfoliating acids that remove dead skin cells and clear out pores, while soothing ingredients like Centella Asiatica help calm redness and irritation. If your skin is on the more sensitive side, another great option is the Hada Labo Soft Cleansing Gel, which provides a deep clean while leaving your skin soft and hydrated. Once your skin is clean, it's time for a serum, which is where the real transformation happens. Serums deliver powerful ingredients directly into the skin, and the right one will target your specific concerns. If your skin tends to be dry or dull, the Beauty of Joseon Repair Serum is a must-have. It contains ginseng extract and snail mucin, two powerhouse ingredients that deeply hydrate, repair the skin barrier, and even help with anti-aging. Unlike some snail mucin serums that feel sticky or heavy, this one absorbs quickly and feels lightweight. If your skin is more oily or acne-prone, the iUNIK Tea Tree Relief Serum is a game-changer. It helps regulate oil production, reduces redness, and calms breakouts while still keeping the skin hydrated. It sinks into the skin so fast that you'll barely notice it's there, yet it works wonders. A moisturizer is essential for sealing and hydration and keeping your skin healthy, and one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is skipping this step. Many people fear that moisturizers will make their skin greasy, but Korean gel creams are designed to be lightweight while still providing deep hydration. For oily skin, the iUNIK Centella Calming Gel Cream is perfect. It hydrates without clogging pores, controls excess oil, and keeps your skin balanced throughout the day. If your skin leans more towards the dry side, the I'm from Licorice Calming Cream is a great choice. It hydrates while also helping to fade dark spots and even out skin tone, leaving your skin bright and refreshed. No skincare routine is complete without sunscreen, and if you only take one thing away from this video, let it be this: never skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most important anti-aging product you can use, and Korean sunscreens are among the best in the world. They're lightweight, non-greasy, and completely invisible on the skin, no chalky white cast, no heaviness. One of the easiest ways to apply and reapply sunscreen throughout the day is by using a stick sunscreen. The Beauty of Joseon Matte Sun Stick is perfect for oily skin because it controls shine while offering SPF protection. If you want a bit more hydration, the Skin 1004 Madagascar Sun Stick provides a smooth, silky finish without making your skin feel greasy. If you prefer a traditional sunscreen, the round Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Sun Stick is another great option. It gives the skin a subtle glow without feeling oily or sticky, making it perfect for dry or combination skin. Now, to answer the big question, is Korean skincare really better than Western skincare? The truth is, it depends on what you're looking for. Western skincare often focuses on strong, active ingredients and instant results, while Korean skincare is about long-term skin health. If you want hydrated, glowing, and healthy skin, K-Beauty is absolutely worth trying. If you're new to Korean skincare, these products are the perfect place to start. They are affordable, effective, and designed to work for all skin types. Once you try them, you'll understand why so many people swear by K-Beauty. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these products before? Do you have a favorite Korean skincare product that you swear by? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest skincare tips and product recommendations. I post weekly videos on all things skincare, so if you're looking for expert advice on how to get your best skin ever, you're in the right place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.